Okay, let's do this. Queens. Queens. Yes, we have queens and queen, of course. Edges. EDGE, EDG. Oh, EDGES. Yes, we have it. Edges. IDES. What do you mean by the word IDES? IDES. What do you mean by that word? Queens. Yes, we have queens and queen. IDEA. Ay, baka idea yun, no? Okay, quest, QUEST. There you go. Day, THEY. Nice word. All right. Just keep your words coming. Okay, let's do this. Let's find as many words as we can. Okay, PT, Piety or PT, PIETY. It's on the board. Samson. Deep, DEAP, DEAP. I'm not sure with that word kung meron yung DEAP, but DEEP is good. All right, what's the next word? Page. PA. How do we do page? PA. We need to jump over there, no? We cannot jump, guys. Oh, we cannot skip a letter. Kailangan laging connected yung magkasunod na letter. So I don't think we can do pages because PA, then we need to jump over to the letter G. All right? Correct me if I'm wrong. Queen, Quinn. And what do you mean by the word Quinn? I'm not familiar with that word. If you can give the meaning, that would be really nice. All right? Seed, SEED, yes, meron. And piety, piety o PT, pareho meron yan. Okay, moving on to the other words. Then, THEN. Yes, we also have the word then. Snip. What do you mean by the word snip? SNEEP. What do you mean by that word? Edge and edges are good. Then and they, yeah, meron. Queens, meron din. Eggs. EGGS. Yes, we have eggs on the board. All right, we still have 33 seconds left in our timer, guys. Comment your words right now para makahabol. Aged. AG. Oh, we cannot do aged because A, we need to jump to letter G, di ba? Hindi kasi pwede mag-jump. Kailangan magkadikit talaga sila. Yung magkasunod. Alright? Do we have another word? No problem, Kimi. That's okay. Even I make mistakes kahit na araw-araw ko itong ginagawa. Okay, 3 seconds left in our timer, guys. Speed. Peed. Yes, we have that on the board. Okay, guys, time's up tayo. What is our longest word? Do you still remember? Any one of you who can remember our longest word?